Ang sarap kainin. Yan lang muna guys, baka magiging clown tayo nito. Hey guys, it's Lora. Welcome back sa aking channel. So, meron naman tayong panibagong video at sa video na ito ay magre-review tayo ng mga produkto. By the way guys, last Tuesday, December 2, may na-receive akong PR package. So yes, it's actually my first time to receive a PR package for free. I'm so excited to try these products kasi marami akong natatanggap ng magandang feedback about these products. So if you're interested, then just keep on watching. So, yung mga produktong i-review natin ngayon, these were actually from Erja Cosmetics. Erja Cosmetics is a local brand made here in the Philippines. So, ayan, let's start guys. I'll start with their foundation and this is what it looks like. It contains 10 grams. So, this is a cream base guys. So, ito yun. By the way guys, napakabango niya. So, i-dip ko na siya guys. Okay, so ayan guys, ito na yung look ko after I apply the foundation. Okay naman din yung cream base guys. This foundation only cost 100 pesos. It's very handy. So this is perfect when you will be traveling. It's very convenient for you guys to bring this everywhere kasi nga maliit lang siya. So malalagay mo lang siya sa inyong makeup kit. So since we're done with our foundation, then let's proceed to our eyebrows. Gagamit tayo ng kanilang eyebrow pomade guys. So ito yung packaging niya. Meron silang dalawang shades ng kanilang eyebrow pomade guys. So yung meron ako, ito yung medium brown at meron din silang dark brown. Good thing about their eyebrow pomade guys is may kasama na siyang brush. So angled brow brush plus this pulley. And this cost 150 pesos only guys. Soft type yung brush nila guys. Ito yung shade niya. Napakaganda ng kanilang pomade guys because as you can see, it's very soft. Hindi siya matigas guys. Hindi katulad ng ibang pomade kapag nag-apply kayo o nagkukuha kayo ng kanilang pomade or yung gel niya is matigas siya. Okay. Right. So as you can see guys, ito na. It's very pigmented. Yung finish niya guys, it's matte. Kung oily yung skin niya guys, or yung eyebrows niyo, masasabi kong itong eyebrow pomade na to, this is perfect for you. I'll just finish the other side. So, tapos ko na yung kilay ko. Wow, I was really amazed with the quality of their eyebrow pomade guys. So later on, let's try to check kung waterproof din ba siya. Wow! Ang galing! As you can see, napakahirap niyong tanggalin. Therefore, this eyebrow pomade is smudge-proof as well. As you can see, okay, maganda yung finish niya. Masasabi ko yung quality niya guys is, we can actually compare this to LA Girl pomade. At yung nagugustuhan ko dito guys, it's actually made of acrylic glass, yung jar niya. Lakas makasosyal niya guys. And this contains 10 grams. Let's move on to our eyeshadow guys. What I have here is this Let It Glow 4-in-1 stick. Meron silang dalawang shades nito guys. Ito yung sassy na meron ako at yung isa naman ay snowy. Pwede na itong lip tint, cheek tint, highlighter, and eyeshadow. Multi-purpose na talaga siya guys. In just one stick, so you can use this in 4 different areas of your face. Wait guys, ang bango niya. Amoy grape. Ang sarap kainin. So, dito naman tayo sa kabila. So, ito yung highlighter nila. At yung bango naman niya guys is bangong shampoo or bangong lotion. So, let's try to swatch this. Start with this one guys. This one. Ito namang highlighter. Look guys. Yan. Highlighter niya guys is somehow gold yung shade niya at yung isang shade is silver. Kukuha lang ako nito guys at maglalagay ako dito. Alam niyo guys, masasabi kong pigmented talaga siya kasi maliit lang naman yung kinuha ko pero tamang-tama lang talaga sa aking mata. Yan. Kung gusto niyo guys, pwede niyong lagyan ulit yung eyelid niyo para meron siyang transition. For this 4-in-1 stick guys, this only cost 179 pesos. And to think guys, multi-purpose na siya. By the way guys, meron din silang liquid eyeliner kaya lang hindi nakasama sa package ko. Gagamit na lang ako ng ibang brand instead. Ayan guys, tapos na ako sa aking eyeliner. Then, let's proceed to our lashes. Natapos ko na yung false eyelashes. Naglagay na rin ako ng concealer plus loose powder. At nag-contour na rin ako. Next, let's proceed to our cheeks. So, ito yung pinadala nila sa akin guys. This is Lips on Point Lip and Cheek Stain. This one guys. Actually, marami pa tong iba't ibang shades. Kaya lang ito lang yung napadala nila sa akin kasi most of those other shades were already out of stock. So, ganun kalupit yung Erja Cosmetics guys. Marami na silang customers. So, kaya palagi silang out of stock. So, maglalagay na ako nito guys sa aking cheeks. Yan lang muna guys. Baka magiging clown tayo nito. Spread ko lang siya guys, pa konti-konti. Isa pa to guys, napakabango niya. Guess what guys, kung anong bango nito? Bangong bubble gum. And by the way guys, bago ko makalimutan, this cost 79 pesos only. So for my lips, I'll be using this powder lip stain. Still from Erja Cosmetics. So, this one guys. Ang ganda ng shade nito guys. For this powder lip stain, this cost 95 pesos. It has 5 different shades. So, ito yung shade na nakuha ko. Ito yung shade niya. Actually, it's a little bit darker kasi I applied it multiple times. But if you want to make it lighter, you just have to apply it once or twice. What I love about this lip stain is long wearing na siya guys. And it's very lightweight. Parang feeling mo hindi ka nag-a-apply ng any lip product. One thing I love about this product is kiss-proof siya guys. As you can see guys, wala siyang bakas. Lastly, I'll be using their highlighter. Maglalagay na ako dito. So guys, magre-retouch lang muna ako sa aking buhok at ako'y magbabalik. So hahatulan ko na yung mga produkto na to guys. For me, all the products were good because they're actually all paraben free. Alam niyo naman, importante talaga sa atin na wala siyang halong chemical na makakasama ng ating balat. Kung tatanungin niyo ako guys, kung maire-recommend ko ba tong product na to sa inyo? Yes, I definitely recommend these products to you guys. Aside na budget-friendly siya guys, maganda yung quality ng mga produkto nila. So yun yung pinaka-importanting bagay na i-consider natin kapag bibili tayo ng mga cosmetic products. We have to make sure that it has a good quality para naman hindi masira yung skin natin, diba? So ayan nga guys, palagi tayo naghahanap ng pinakamurang cosmetic products, but we actually tend to ignore the quality of the product. And by the way guys, they're actually FDA approved. So ilalagay ko na lang sa description box below yung mga produktong ginagamit ko ngayon at ilalagay ko na rin yung Facebook page ng Erja Cosmetics sa description box. By the way guys, they are not only selling cosmetic products. If you wanna check the other products that they offer, so you just have to visit their Facebook page. I hope you enjoy and like this video guys. Please don't forget to like, comment, and share this video. And of course, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the bell button para palagi kayong updated sa mga bagong videos ko. Thanks for watching guys and see you on my next video. Bye!